Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Valley Food Storage 92 serving freeze-dried meat bucket. This kit offers a variety pack of beef, chicken, and sausage, providing a total of 13,280 calories in one, 352 g of protein. With its quick preparation time and a shelf life of 25 years, it's a reliable option for emergency preparedness or outdoor excursions. At number 4, we have the Mountain House Essential Bucket. This gluten-free assortment includes 22 servings of delicious breakfast, lunch, and dinner options. With meals like beef stew and scrambled eggs with bacon, each backed by a 30-year taste guarantee, it's perfect for adventurers and emergency preppers alike. Taking the third spot on our list is the Nutri-Store Emergency Buckets. Specifically designed for emergencies, these buckets offer a variety of freeze-dried meats, ensuring you have the protein you need when disaster strikes. With a customer satisfaction guarantee and a shelf life of 25 years, Nutri-Store is a reliable choice for emergency preparedness. Coming in at number 2 is the ReadyWise 30-Day Emergency Food Supply. With 298 servings of freeze-dried goodness, this kit ensures your family's safety during unforeseen disasters. Lightweight, compact, and easy to prepare, it's perfect for camping trips or long-term storage. Before we get to number, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already done so and give this video a thumbs up so you can stay up to date with all our latest and reviews. And finally, taking the top spot on our list is the 4 Patriots 4-Week Emergency Food Supply. With 192 servings of breakfast, lunch, and dinner options, this kit provides everything you need to weather any storm. Hand-packed in the USA and designed to last 25 years on the shelf, it's a must-have for any emergency preparedness plan. There you have it, folks, our top 5 emergency food kits available on Amazon. If you're interested in any of the products mentioned, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Product Reviews Network.